Right now in 2025, thousands of people are making real money using AI tools. And most beginners don't even know where to start. Imagine earning an extra $500 to $1,000 per month just by using the right AI software. Sounds impossible? Stick with me because in this video I'll show you 5 powerful and proven ways to make money with AI in 2025, step by step. But before we dive in, a quick reminder. If you're serious about building financial freedom, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We share weekly strategies on money, business, and AI. Don't miss out. AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a billion-dollar industry. From content creation to business automation, artificial intelligence is helping people save time, reduce costs, and generate new income streams. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to start. All you need are the right tools and the right strategy. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of clients who need content designs and marketing. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Midjourney, you can deliver high-quality work faster and earn money as a freelancer. AI tools can help you write scripts, generate voiceovers, and even edit videos. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, AI can save hours of work and boost your productivity. Create AI-generated templates, ebooks, or design assets and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. These are low cost to make and can bring passive income. Many small businesses in the US are looking for AI chatbots, social media posts, or automated customer support. You can provide these services without coding, just by learning to use the right tools. There are AI platforms that analyze stocks, crypto, and real estate trends. By using these tools smartly, you can make better investment decisions. Always remember, investing carries risk, but AI can give you a competitive edge. For example, Sarah, a student in California, started offering AI-generated social media posts to local businesses. Within just 2 months, she was making over $800 per month as a side hustle. That's the power of using AI the right way. So now you know 5 proven ways to make money with AI tools in 2025. The question is, which method will you try first? Comment below and let me know your plan. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. This is just the beginning. In upcoming videos, we'll explore detailed strategies and even more income streams with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.